In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create subtitles in Premiere Pro, so let's get to it. Here we are in Premiere. I've got this video and the audio of me speaking, so in order to add subtitles, I'm going to go up to Window and select Text. Then a separate text window will show up, and in the Captions section, you want to click on Transcribe Sequence. Then you will see this tiny window here. Specify the speaking language that will get transcribed. In my case, it'll be English. Also, you get to specify the audio track that you want to transcribe. Or if you select mix, all of the audio tracks will get transcribed. Since I only have one audio track, I'm going to leave it at mixed. Then click on transcribe, and Premiere will take its time to analyze the audio and create a transcript. And once it's done, you should see an entire transcript up here in the text window. And for the most part, Premiere does a really good job at correctly transcribing the audio, but there could be mistakes. So in case there are any, you can always double click on the text and manually make any adjustments needed. And once you've made sure that everything's correct, click on Create Captions. Then you will see this tiny window. And here, without getting into too many details, you want to leave Caption Preset at Subtitle Default, Format at Subtitle. You also get to specify the length of individual caption lines. And this will vary depending on the content that you need these for. For example, something like gaming videos or funny videos will probably be better off with 1 to 2 words at a time. And for some other types of content, you might want to include more words at a time so people could follow along. So for the sake of the example, I'm going to set this to 20. And also I'm going to set lines to single line. So the subtitles are all in a single line and are not taking up too much space. Then click on Create. Then a separate track will be added to the timeline just for the captions alone. And here, if we preview this, you'll see that we have subtitles that are perfectly synced with the audio. But chances are you're not going to like the default look of the subtitles because they look very lame. Luckily, we can change that using the Essential Graphics panel. So let's go up to Window and select Essential Graphics. Then let's go into the Edit tab and select any of the captions that you wish. So this one. And then you will see all of the settings that we are able to adjust, such as font, size, fill color, stroke color, drop shadow, and all that good stuff. So let's choose the font. I'm going to go with Montserrat Black. One of my favorite fonts. I'm going to increase the size slightly to 60. Then I'm going to put it in all caps so the subtitles are easier to read. You also get to choose the zone or the position of the subtitles, but chances are you want to have them at the bottom in this middle area. For the fill color, I'll leave it at white. I'll enable stroke and set it to black and give it a width of 12 pixels. And I'm not going to use drop shadow, so I'm going to turn it off. So make sure you adjust these according to your needs. And if you preview the other subtitles, you'll see they didn't change. That is because we need to create a track style. For that, let's come back to the Essential Graphics panel. And in the track style, let's open the drop down. Click on Create Style. Name it whatever you want. Click OK. And now if you have this selected and you go to other subtitles, you'll see that all of them look the same now since we have applied the sort of like a preset to all of them. And here, if we preview this from the beginning, you'll see that we have very nice subtitles that are synced with the audio. Now, as for exporting the subtitles, once you're rendering the video, you get like a separate Captions tab. So if you open that, here you get two options. You can either separately export the file in SRT format that you could separately upload to, say, YouTube via the subtitle section, or you can permanently burn captions into the video and they would be visible on your video. So those are the two options that you get. And that's how you create subtitles or captions in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.